So this is the first time we're going to give the GoPro a try. I'm using the GoPro Hero 8 here up on a nice, easy green run. So we'll test it out. Test out the gimbal. Wife's right behind me, so get a little bit of speed going here. See how the recording goes with the audio. Should be normal. Oh, we're going to keep going on easy street, so. There she comes. There. So hopefully you can hear the audio really good. This will be a good test. Up here on the snowy peaks of Grand Prairie's River before we head off to Vietnam. So we gotta get a little bit of speed so I can test out the GoPro's audio. Oh yeah. All right. Well, we'll stay on easy street for now. Just get a little bit of speed. I want to get some wind into it. See if the microphone can still pick up my voice. And yeah, so I don't expect the temperature to be quite as drastic as it is here in Vietnam. We are looking at going in a couple of mountains, and it's supposed to be about, I don't know, I think the lowest I heard was going to be +3. And here we're looking at about -9, I think. So still relatively warm. Last night was at -6. The roads were actually melting a little bit. So I'll still test out the audio while I'm cutting a little bit. Waiting for the wife to kind of catch up a little bit. That's all right. Uh-oh. I totally lost her. I hope she didn't biff it. If that's the case, then I'll apologize now in advance. Not my fault. I can't see behind me. Mind you, you can. The viewer, that is. Yeah. Anyways, as I said, it's nice little trail. Nice little hill. I guess we can wait for her here. So now we can test out the difference in the audio. You can pretty much hear a pin drop right now. Ooh, huh? Okay. Oh, here she comes. It's okay, just waiting. She's taking her time, and that's okay. At least I didn't take her on a black diamond for the first run. Here she comes. Did you biff it? Hey babe, did you biff it or what? Did you biff it? Oh, okay. That's all right. Like I said, I was just testing out, making sure the audio works. I was telling everybody on the camera that we're going to be on a mountain in Vietnam, but I don't think we're going to have quite as much snow. Fancy pants. That's where we're heading. Fancy pants, I call it. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can feel it on the bottom of your skis, that's for sure. So all right, well that's about it. I'll try a time lapse. Test the GoPro's time lapse out after this. And we'll do it on the chair, because that's always fun. So we'll catch you in a bit. GoPro, stop recording.